Hey guys, we at the Flips and Flip in South Orange. Just want to give you a quick tour. We finally finished this project. Want to give you a quick walkthrough. On the market for $1.2 million. We'll see if we can find a potential buyer. Come take a look around. I'll take you to my favorite part of the house. So here we have the dining room, and over here, which is my favorite part of the house, is a very nice kitchen. We have marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, wood. We have a farm sink, nice fixtures. We did really good here. Everything is custom, the cabinets. This was a complete gut rehab that we did, so it was a lot of work put into the house. Take a quick look at this bathroom. Over here we put a half bath on the first floor, marble floors. And still on the first floor level, we have the front room, and we also have the sunroom. Chandelier is very nice. In the sunroom, what we did was we built a double door here, so there'll be a patio going out to the side. And this also has a fireplace as well. There's two fireplaces here, both the wood burning fireplaces. So I'm pretty excited how this came out. We did all the moldings around the whole entire house, by the way. Now my next favorite room is the master bedroom, which we'll get to in a minute. This is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So on the second level, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is a bedroom here, nice large bedroom. And then we also have a full bathroom here. And then here we also have a nice large bedroom. This one is actually another one of my favorites also, because it has a lot of windows, a lot of light. You can see the view of the backyard. So this is very spacious, nice and square. And then the last room that we have on this floor is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is here, it's nice. It has a walk-in closet. And also the master bathroom, which is really my second favorite part of the house. This came out really nice. We have a freestanding tub, very open window, a lot of windows, very spacious. This has come out very nice and clean. I like this. Of course, also we have the walk-in closet here. Here's a nice walk-in closet. Third floor, which is the last room. We have 2 more bedrooms up here. So this is pretty cool also. On the third floor. We kept all the original wood floors on the third floor. We were able to stain them and save them. So we have 2 more bedrooms up here and another bathroom. So let's get a quick look at that. The 2 bedrooms in the bathroom. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough at the South Orange Fix and Flip. We put it on the market for 1.2, and we'll see what the market say is worth. Catch you guys at the next video.